Open living room here. Needs AC. Needs tile in the foyer. You gotta take out the window units, knock out the wall, make this an open dining room kitchen area. This is a mess. So I think the easiest thing to do is going to be take down this entire deck structure.
Got a lot of landscaping ahead of us.
And that is the space we have to work with, which is why you have to open these rooms up, man.
Take cover!
We decided to make this a master suite because you kind of have to do that in this area. That's what people expect.
Is that an outhouse?
So,
take out the green. And maybe paint. No, and maybe paint this a different color because I don't like the color. Yeah.
For herringbone. Social distancing. So this is the kind of flip project where if you have ADD, it really challenges your ADD. There's so much work to be done that you just turn your head 3 feet and start doing something else and doing something else.
Is that what you're doing?
Oh my gosh, Leanne.
Didn't we do a good job? Did we?
Wow!
We're gonna do off-white color for the main walls with dark gray accent.
making a video for the stage. Don't stab me with your screwdriver.
Thank you.
It's a light brown tone. And then this is a finished family room. It'd be cool for some knickknacks or plants maybe on that.
Okay. It sounds very good.
Floors cleaned up so nice.